Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying eligibility. Open your Philippine Airlines booking or ticket record immediately. Look at the fare rules and refundability because that determines process and fees. Have your booking code, ticket number, government ID, and payment receipt ready, since agents will ask. If travel was disrupted by airline cancellation or schedule change, make note of their policy reference. Once done, prepare a concise summary of your case and desired outcome. This speeds the next steps and avoids back and forth. You now submit the actual refund request through Manage Booking or the official refund form. This creates a document trail. If you booked through a travel agent or third party, notify them immediately and request they file on your behalf. When filling forms, attach your ticket copy, proof of payment, and a short explanation with dates and reasons. After submission, note your reference number and expected processing time. Make sure to follow up at set intervals. Persistence prevents administrative delays and lost requests. You finish by monitoring the refund status and your bank or card for credit. Processing can take weeks depending on payment method. If the posted timeframe passes, escalate politely via customer service chat, phone, or the local office with your reference number. If the refund is denied, request the written reason and instructions for appeal. Appeal promptly with new supporting documents if applicable. One troubleshooting tip: if you get no response, file a complaint with your card issuer for chargeback after following airline escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.